Now, let's combine the concepts in number 8 and 9. So, let's restate assets, liabilities, equity. The requirement, retained earnings. Again, ang retained earnings, residual, balancing figure. So, after restating assets, liabilities, and other components of equity, the balancing figure, retained earnings. Okay? Now, first, again, identify. Yan by already in year-end peso? Yes. Okay. Not restated. Okay. If no, restate. How? By applying, okay, general price index. Okay. So, ang numerator, in case i-restate this one. Okay. So, the general price index at the end of the reporting period. Okay. So, the first item, cash and cash equivalents. Okay, monetary, therefore not restated. Trade and other receivables to be received in money. Okay, monetary item, not restated. Inventories, non-monetary. Already at NRV, not yet. Still at cost. So, restated. How? Okay, that's 500,000 times the general price index at December 31, 23 over the price index at the time of purchase. At ang sabi dyan sa first bullet point, inventories at December 31, 23 acquired on July 1, 2023. And what is the index that time? 400. So, as restated, 500,000 times year-end index over July 1 price index. Okay, as restated. Okay, next. Prepayments, monetary? No. So, restated. How? That's 50,000 times the year-end index over the index at the time of prepayment. So, the prepayments were made on December 31, 22. So, this one. Okay, the price index at that time, 180. So 50,000 times 450, the year-end price index over the price index on December 31, 22. As restated. Okay, debt investments at amortized cost, monetary. Therefore, not restated. So actually, pagka monetary, ang conversion factor niyan, year-end index over year-end index. So, 450 over 450. Okay, so kaya effectively, ang factor niya, 1. Okay, PPE, non-monetary. So, carried at cost. So, okay, restated. How? Okay, that's 1 million times 450 over acquired on December 31, 20. So the price index that time, 150. So 450 over 150. Okay, do the same on accumulated depreciation. Okay, so that's 300,000 times the year-end index over the index at the time of purchase. Okay. Next, investment at fair value, non-monetary, pero naka-fair value na. So, not restated. So, ito yung example ng non-monetary item pero not restated since already carried at fair value. So, total assets as restated. Okay, minus the liabilities. Okay, so the rest, equity. Now, the liabilities, trade and other payables, monetary, not restated. Short-term borrowings, monetary, not restated. Note payable to bank, monetary, not restated. So, the total assets minus the liabilities. Okay, so that's the total equity. Now, the equity components, share capital and retained earnings. Share capital, restated. How? 400,000 times year-end index over the index at the time of issuance. Not available. So use the earliest available index, 100. Okay, so that's 400,000 times 450 year-end index over 100. So the total equity minus share capital. The rest, balancing figure, retained earnings. Okay, so number 10, bravo. Okay, so that's restatement of statement of financial position items. Assets, liabilities, equity. Okay, so again, basta hindi pa naka-end of period measuring unit, restate. If already at measuring unit current at the end of the reporting period, not restated. Okay, now, how about income statement items? Okay, number 11.